BB. Now I'm about to show you the new phone that I got, iPhone 13.
Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BB. If you haven't been here before, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you have, thank you for always coming back. So today we're gonna try something new. Well, not technically new, but kind of new. So, you know, I remember a couple videos ago I did an unboxing of my BoxyCharm. So today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Is that what it's called? You know what? Honestly, I can't even remember. I don't know what color this is. This is not my phone. This is my sister's phone. I have an iPhone 12, so I didn't think I needed to get a new phone. But I guess we're really gonna find out if I need to or not by unboxing this new iPhone 13. Everyone is talking about it. Everyone wants to know about it. So let's see what we got.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my...
Let's get it cutting. No one ever trusts me with scissors. I am horrible when it comes to scissors. I haven't even opened this phone yet and it already wants me. I'm thinking like, oh, iPhone 13. Just cause. Anyway, so boom. So what color do we have here? Sierra. Ooh, blue. Ooh, this looks so nice. So we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. 128 gigs and it's the Pro Max Sierra Blue. So let's open it. It looks so beautiful. I love this color. Oh, is this bigger than my phone? Okay, we're gonna have to see. Okay, comes with the USB, you know, the instructions, and that's as simple as it's gonna get. Okay, back to what we're really doing here. Are we ready? Oh. This is so cute, you guys. You think she'll switch with me? Okay. Oh my god, I love it. So let's turn it on. Hang on. So with the new iPhone 13 that's came out, you know, obviously it's came out with a new iOS 15, which I guess it's saying hi in different languages. It's cute. Okay. Okay. Let's swipe up. English. Okay, so here it is. Here's the home page, which is okay, the normal. If you're not used to this, you are. And you come with your regular apps. I don't see anything new here. So let's just go to the features. Okay, so I know they say with the new phone you can do stuff like take a picture of somebody, okay, so you know how like with the new iOS, first of all, let's talk about how this camera looks great and it's in live. resolution. Okay. Even though, like, I don't think this is glass. And it's really, I like the feel of it. This color is definitely bomb.com. It almost all, like, it, I don't see the difference between this and the iPhone. Okay, the camera is bigger. It's a little bit bigger. That's the real difference I really see. And that's the reason why I didn't get this phone. But it's the same size. The camera is bigger. And obviously the camera is better. We know that. So also with the pictures, it has really good quality. Okay? Let me show you guys something. So, we are going to take a picture of this picture. You come in closer? Okay. Okay. Took a picture of it. Why does that look like I took this picture in the naked eye and not from a camera? Somebody tells me. Just tell me. Like, to the T. Like, the naked eye. Like, y'all, I mean, it looks, it doesn't even look, I took this picture from the phone. Like, it looks like I took this picture from the naked eye. That's crazy. I look good though, don't I? Like, and look, okay, another one better for you. Okay. That's a picture of a picture I took, right? Look. The clarity. Just look. That looks damn good. Like, it makes it seem like you're looking at it from, like, like, look. This looks good. I gotta screenshot this. I'm taking a picture of a picture of a picture. But you know what I mean? Like, these look great. You know, we still poach it. Look. Look at how realistic that looks. Like, I look a mess in my double chins, but like, look. And then if, like, you know, blurs him out. Like, I feel like I should be a photographer with this phone. Like, what do I need a camera for, you know? Whatever. Like, look at this. Wow. And it goes in depth of do you hear like, my voice? Basically. I wasn't even talking that loud, and it sounds like so this is like it sounds like I had a microphone or something. Like, what? And it goes in depth of what I look like. I basically am in love. In love. I love it. The maps. What is this? Is this even an iOS 15 thing, or this is a? I have the globe in my hand. In my hand, I have the globe, y'all. I gotta Africa. I gotta go to Gambia real quick. Wait. Stop being ghetto. The whole globe. Okay, let's go to Gambia. We gotta go there real quick. Do it for the one time. Get in close. Come on. Put the brightness up. Here we are in Gambia. Serakunda Birkama. The Gambia River. Oh, Kaolack. It's not like Gambia, but you know. Damn, this is. What is South Bank Road? Bro, that's, oh my God. I'm just shook right now. Wow. Oh, satellite. Not the satellite. This is amazing. Oh my God. La ilaha illallah. I'm on Google Maps. They got Google Maps. Take me to this airport. Babe. Look. It's Banjul Airport. That be... So y'all, it's not all huts and stuff. It's actual houses and a lot of land. If y'all were wondering what Africa looks like. What? Birkama Highway. Bro, this is so... Let me go to Sene real quick. Okay, we're in Banjul. Let's see if I can take my... Okay, Sukata, Sarakunda. Oh, Banjul's right here. Okay. They have an SI File Street. Wow. This is so cool. I love that. That's cool. Oh my God. Wow. That's really amazing, y'all. Like, I'm so shook right now. Wow. So also other things that you can do is with notifications, you have the notification summary you can do, which is pretty cool. I will show you guys all this stuff, but I'm not set up on this phone because it'll just take too long. But this is all iOS 15 things. And if you guys want, I can definitely like make a whole nother video of like iOS 15. Just probably, but most of this video is all about just the iPhone 13. But yeah, overall, I'm in love with this phone. It's just, I mean, like, I love my phone, and I probably won't get a new phone just cause like it's really all the same phone, just a couple different things. Obviously the pictures are great, and I would love, you know, but yeah, my mom would kill me if I got a new phone. She'd be like, girl, you just got a phone, like, you know, last year. So, but I'm gonna have to post a couple of things because y'all say cheese. Yeah, but yeah, overall this phone is great. The camera quality is great. As always, it gets better and better every year. It's nothing that we don't already know. I mean, if I didn't have this 12, I definitely would get the iPhone 13, but you know, I can't. We're just gonna have to wait till the 14 come out, or whatever it comes out next year, you know. But yeah, this is a great phone. I love everything about it. But definitely I would suggest this phone if you like have like an iPhone 11 and below that. Definitely I would say, yeah, definitely get this phone. But if you have an iPhone 12 and stuff, there's really no need, unless you're like a photographer, a fanatic or something, and always taking pictures on your phone, then yeah, definitely get this phone because it's something you need. But obviously a lot of people that take photography a lot obviously have their own side camera, so it doesn't really matter. But once again, it's a great phone. You can always watch your movies on it because it's full screen. Everything is great, clear. The voice on it, the microphone is amazing. Don't drop your phone because obviously that would mess it up, but you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much for you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of gave you an idea of what the iPhone 13 is about. Go get your iPhone 13 if you need it. Okay, this is not a necessity unless you have like an iPhone 6 or something. Then yeah, it'll be hard for you to learn, but trust me, you need this in your life because yeah. But go get your iPhone. You will not regret it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.